right now in my break of my school, and I am customizing some um those keycaps. I'm kind of painting them. And yeah, guys, it's golden, and I feel like that looks cool. You know what I mean? So yeah, I've already done two, and hopefully this all turns out good. Yeah, good. So yeah, guys, yeah. Yeah, maybe when I'm done with all this, I might post this maybe in the afternoon or something. But yeah, guys, whatever. I'm just gonna finish this, and yeah, see you in the next clip. Yeah. Decided to do a like time lapse kind of thing, and yeah, guys. Yeah. So now I need to take out the keycap. There we go. Took out a keycap. Let's go. Okay, guys. So now I need this, another Q-tip, and we're gonna put this. I'm gonna take out the keycap real quick. There we go. Take out the keycap. Then you put this on here. Then you put it right here. Okay, so I'm gonna take these keycaps off, and I'm gonna put them on one side because I'm gonna mostly use the golden ones, and the keycap just went flying. So let me put it right here. There we go. Then I'm gonna take out the keycap right here. Oh god, I took out the keycap. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. I put this keycap right here. So hopefully I can put it in. Let's go. Put it in and good. Okay. So these keycaps are the WASD. I kind of did something wrong there because yeah, but yeah, guys. Now just let it dry, and hopefully it turned out good. Now I need to paint this one a little bit. So yeah, guys. When this is all done, I'm gonna show you guys it, and yeah, I'm gonna let it dry somewhere. So yeah, guys. I'm gonna show you the final product of this keyboard with those keycaps. So yeah, guys, because I'm gonna connect that keyboard to my Nintendo Switch and play some Blender. Yeah. I finally finished putting the keycaps on the WASD. the WASD keycaps on the keyboard, and it looks good, guys. Look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. Look at those keycaps, dude. Like, actually, look at that. See that? You see that? It's kind of an old thing, but it still looks good, bro. I might even paint this spacebar. All these ones too, maybe, you know. So yeah, guys, yeah. If you guys liked it, see you on the next video. Peace.